Hey there, Schuylkilltucky now wants body. Here's a big snowstorm coming your way, and that is indeed the case, as we can see here on the water vapor image. Out in the Rockies right now, our storm's coming toward us. There it is. It's already forming, and it's going to continue to do so as it moves across the middle part of the country toward the east. And meanwhile, there's going to be a weak low down around Florida that forms up as well and moves up along the east coast. These two are going to get together, and eventually the one on the coast is going to take over and strengthen rapidly as it pulls off to the northeast. And that means a lot of snow for central Pennsylvania. So amounts, starting here, this is one of the models. Basically, we're going to just show you some totals here as time goes along. Basically, right around this time, this is about 10 to midnight Monday night when we start to see some accumulation rolling in. And as you roll through the overnight, it starts picking up. And by the time you wake up Tuesday morning, it could be about 9 inches of snow on the ground according to this model. Snow will be heaviest through the morning, and about noontime should be all said and done, at least for the major snow to end, with a total of about 13 to 14 inches on this one. Another model, it's kind of based off the same same model, basically just a little more detailed. Same thing, starting around midnight, becomes heaviest right around daybreak, and into the right around the morning commute, really. And this one here, about 15 inches. So these first two, kind of in the same boat, agreeing quite nicely. This is the GFS model. If you watched the Weather Channel at all, you'd probably hear about this model. This is the US model. And again, pretty good agreements on when it's going to start. Really late night on Monday and into the overnight. This one's a little bit less as the other two models we looked at here. This is probably one of the lower ones I've seen, about 9 inches on that one. And then this one here, the European, also mentioned a lot on the Weather Channel. This is one of the more accurate models. And this one, again, kind of agrees with the first two with about an inch and a half of, inch and a half of liquid water, which equates to about 15 inches of snow. And it puts the heaviest right around eastern Pennsylvania. And moving along here on this white screen, this is the National Weather Service out of State College. Basically, this is the minimum amount they say that we'll see. So you'll expect at least 3 inches. I feel as though we can probably set the bar somewhere around 6 to 8 as a minimum. I mean, I don't think there's a chance anymore that this storm's going to go out to sea and not affect anybody. So it's definitely coming. I think you'll definitely be seeing about 6 to 8 inches of snow come midday on Tuesday. Their most likely scenario is about 12 to 13 inches. It's kind of where I'm at right now. I think right around 10 to 15 is probably a good bet to where we'll end up. But if all goes well and everything just works out right, I mean, up right in the sweet spot, it's possible we could see up to 19 to 20 inches. But it's kind of on the high end right now. And well, that's about all I got. So again, Tuesday morning, right around the commute time. Probably not going to see it school on Tuesday, so that's probably a pretty good bet. And it stays cold all week, so although the roads may clear off, the snow should stick around. So enjoy it.